Yo, what up? Now, something very interesting that take place. Now, if I turn on the camera, this guy over that side, I've never seen him before. But you know, whenever you have framers, you know, the lead framer, he always send out him guys them who come work. You know, as I said before, 90% of the time, you really and truly have the relationship with the guy who kind of get him workers out. So you're not going to know everybody on the job site. You know what I mean? More than you know the lead guy, because him you talk to, and then him kind of direct his guys as to what needs to get done. Because when you talk about framing, I'm more than sometimes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people up on the site just a frame together, you know what I mean? But we only deal with one person. But what's interesting just now is that him not even did know the boss. Because when I ask him for him boss, he asks who name so. And then I see him inside of my property. So then I don't really know how that works. He asks me who is me, so I tell him, hey, me just a regular guy, you know. I try to look for the framer. I not even tell him so I'm the developer. So I just there I watch what I go on to see if he's a worker actually. Because people do. Because I just opened the gate a while ago. Look, I gotta go over there. I just opened the gate a while ago. Because I want to know why my framer them not work. This morning, the lumber them drop. Well, the good thing is that the trusses them gone up. I still look for see if I see him, but I don't see him. The lumber them got this are the lumber for the second deck. You know? And all of the material them, because a couple of days ago this soaking wet. Rain kind of slope the whole thing. But for the most part, everything dry now. So I need to see my framer them and frame up. So I just called my lead framer a while ago and ask him why the framer them not up on site at work. He tell me so them gonna come shortly. So I wonder if that guy there did one of them. But they even know Emmanuel, so I don't know. Talk to Emmanuel also and tell him, say, bro, my job site, I know say a whole heap of wood are cut and the place did muddy. But I need to see her clean up my job site a little bit more because I don't like how it look. So I'm going to see what really take place. But yeah guys, the trusses them gone up. Because for a hot minute them there say the trusses them wrong. But once me give them the layout for the trusses, this is how it gonna look like. It's so high that is, this is a high ceiling. Maybe you can see how high that there. The trusses. So the trusses are what really hold the house together, you know. The flooring, the top part, if you look right up there, so you see them. Them that will kind of hold all of the lumber them together. You know, like you have Lego, and you have that one Lego that will kind of hold everything firmly together. That are the trusses. But so far, so good. I like everything I go on. I'm there. I'm there not going to move until I say the frame of them actually come in from start work. Because I already lose about 3 to 4 days due to bad weather. And then them could even deliver the lumber because the place is just saturated with a lot of muds. And the heavy equipment, them you can't drop the lumber inside the rain. So I think my lumber up on the truck for at least 2 days, but we finally get them off. And now we are moved. So back on it again. You have to really come on your job site, come make sure so your workers them at work. You gotta give her 5 minutes and get a call back to find out what really are going. So just see him open the gate and come in, and I don't know as a Jamaican, I don't even want to tell you where they're in the van. But it's there. Because you never know. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.